Welcome to Lark. This video will teach you how to use the Lark Attendance app. You can enter the Lark Attendance app from within Lark Workplace. You can also enter the Attendance app by clicking on the link in a message from the attendance bot. When you enter the app, click the Clock In button in the middle within the allotted time to clock in. If there is an unusual situation relating to your attendance, for example you are out of the office, have arrived late, or are leaving early, you can add text and pictures to your clock-in information to explain any irregularities. In addition to clocking in at work, the Lark Attendance page also allows you to submit requests relating to attendance at work, including leave, overtime, attendance record correction, switching shifts, and business trips. All requests will be automatically submitted to the person designated to managing your attendance at work for their approval. Click Statistics to view your attendance records, which includes absences, late arrivals, and times you have left early. If you are the department or attendance director, switch to Personal Reports or Group Reports in the upper left corner to check different data summaries and rankings that can be viewed by day, week, or month. The Settings page allows you to set up multiple kinds of clock-in functions. When Message Reminder is on, the system will send an auto reminder at the allotted time. Turning on Express Clock-In makes the attendance check more efficient. You no longer need to click Clock In manually. The system will do it for you automatically. This setting requires these three conditions to be used. If you turn on attendance reports on the first day of every week and month, Lark will send you attendance weekly reports and monthly reports. If you have any questions, click Contact Us to access for more information. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give us a thumbs up at the bottom of the page.